Hello, thanks for dropping into the TV room. David Bradley here with a cost-reduced VIC-20 board. So I'm going to test. While I'm here, I think it's okay. And I have these other monitors turned on. So we'll see. Huh. Look at that. I do have a data card stuffed underneath here. VIC-20 had a bad, seems to be otherwise okay. Okay, so I believe I sent the case of this out to the sun. So this too can go away out of here. All right. Let's see here. There's keyboard, goes with something. I'll set that over here as well. Just over here. Oh, there are my two gentle persuaders. But really, probably don't need to be here. Oh yeah, here's the thing. I'm gonna throw that away. I just have to remember next time. Take that down. Now. Oh yeah, Vic-20. Any notes on this? Oh well, there's a Vic chip missing. I'm really right now looking for an original Vic-20 that's supposed to work. What does this say? Vic-20 missing. Oh, is it really missing something right now? Pardon, missing 9014636 chip. Works. Did I really? Decal missing. Residue. Other key works. Did I put the chip back in? I don't know. And if I didn't, or if I, yeah, why didn't I? Why didn't I? Why did I not? Why did I not? Well, let's just see if we get any sort of flash here. Okay. Power is in. Do we get a flash? We get a flash. Okay, well that's encouraging on the power supply front. But this is working. And I think they were. So pull that one out. Put this one in. Try and get the correct end of the cable. Do I get a flash? I do. Okay, well that's good. Okay, so what does this mean? Well, it means that here's another VIC-20. It's trying to follow, but it doesn't need to be here. It's trying to fall down. Okay, well, it can sit over here. Oh, things are happening. What does this one say? I know it's loose inside the case, that's for sure. Works. Missing one ROM. Okay, well that's probably not a good thing to test with at this juncture. Anyway, there's a whole box Vic-20s here. Anyway, I now have confidence that these are working. I hate dropping things. I do. So I want to keep these handy to test things with. And the other one that I opened up, I suppose I could bring it over here and try plugging it in. See what happens. I could. Oh, because you never know. It does look, I'm dropping things. It does look like the fuse. Okay. It does. Alright. Plug that in. Reach over here to this Vic-20. Could be foolish. I don't know. It could be. But anyway, if it gives the flash, that's a good sign. And it does. So I guess the thing to do is look for a Vic-20 that I know is working. Anyway, that's a good sign on that power supply. Now what I can do is reach over here. And here is a sacred pet keyboard. Vic-20. It's beautiful. It's magical. It's stunning. Push the power supply aside. Off. On. Okay, what's up with this? Boy, I hope that wasn't foolish. I don't like being foolish. I don't like being foolish. Oh dear. It's not coming up. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, it might have always been a little slow on the uptake. It might have been. And it's been sitting for a while. Hear that sound. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, now that I know that it's come to life, even though it's a little slow, I suppose what I can do once again, what's that? Okay. That would be the power. That probably means there's some wayward capacitor. Wayward capacitor. Alright, let's try this. Yay. So it does seem that that power supply that I opened up is quite fine. So this should change the color of the characters ever so slightly. And they should run. Beautiful. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do, because I'm here, and I can, I'm going to put this sacred beast over here. I'm going to unplug this, because it will have been just on. And I guess I know that this is now working. So I can bring this back over here, dump out the screws. Look, there's a round end, and there's an end that goes flush. So that's how this goes on. Get it flushly mounted. Put the screws back in. Now I think I was using a different screwdriver. So they go in easier than they came out. Because of course, they'd been in there for some 40 years, and they did not want to come out. So as always, screw things in until they're snug. But don't reef on them. See that one? This one could go a little deeper. It could go a little deeper. I guess they all could go a little deeper. I'm trying not to get them, broken in there, but they all, each one I do seems to want to go deeper than the last. How's that feeling? Good and snug. Okay, good. So, good. That's good. Good. I like having power supplies that work. I do. Or perhaps obvious reasoning. Ooh. Okay. Set that Vic-20 down. Excuse me. I'm hurting. Okay. Well, we're slowly getting there. We'll see what we do next time. Thanks for coming to the TV room. Have a lovely day.